raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell.